Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out Dr. Frederick's Heel Sole Moisturizing Socks. These were sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. So let's check them out. Let's see how they work on my my gross dry heels. It's a set, it's got 2 pairs. So you've got 4 individual things. So let's check these out, test them, and see how they work.
Okay, here are my heels before. They're not terrible, but they're not great either. Here's heel number 1 and heel number 2. Let's put these babies on.
So here are our heel socks. They are incredibly soft. They don't feel slimy or anything. They just feel so soft. They smell it's a very faint scent, but it smells really nice. Let's put these on. Oh, there's the gel. I can feel it. I can feel it on my heel. We're going to turn this one inside out to check, see. Oh, there we go. Let's see if the camera can focus on that. Can you see the difference in the texture? That's what's on there. Okay, that feels amazing on your heel, just FYI. Oh, that feels so nice. They're actually really cute. So I can actually wear these around with my flip-flops today as I go around and do my work, and then we'll see the after. Okay, I've been wearing these for several hours. Let's see how my heels look. I will say these have been so comfortable. Right now it's summer months, and this has been really nice to have something here but have my toes open and cool. So that was an unexpected thing. But these are hand washable, and so you can wash them after you use them. They are fuzzy, so you can see they're peeling a little bit, but that's expected. Let's look at my heel. Looking so good. It feels so soft. All the way around. Let's look at the other one. Looks a lot better. I'm really surprised. I wasn't expecting these to really work or enjoy them as much as I did, but I am just like, my feet feel so soft and they look flip-flop ready, sandal ready, and it was so comfortable to wear them. So I hope you enjoy these as much as I did.